Before we discuss interesting facts about the internet's favorite ChatGPT, let us give you a brief introduction to it. ChatGPT, an AI chatbot, is revolutionizing the way people interact with their surroundings. Deep learning algorithms are combined with cutting-edge technology to deliver a seamless experience. This chatbot can perform virtually any task for you, which is quite frightening. In response to prompts and sophisticated Python code, ChatGPT produces college-level essays. This raises the question of whether technology will replace programmers and journalists. Like other AI technologies, ChatGPT depends on the quality and volume of the data it is trained on. Despite its power, ChatGPT is not without its drawbacks. It can occasionally provide accurate or pertinent answers to specific questions, particularly those unrelated to its training data. In this video, we'll discuss the top interesting facts about the internet's favorite ChatGPT. Stay with us to discover what will change our lives. Number 1. The ChatGPT language model is an extensive version of GPT-3. It was trained using a large amount of data. Number 2. Elon Musk discovered that OpenAI was training ChatGPT using Twitter's database. The exercise was immediately ended by him. As OpenAI is now non-profit and closed-sourced, it should one day be able to pay for this information. Number 3. The ChatGPT can create text that appears human-like and engage users in conversation. Number 4. OpenAI, a global artificial intelligence research institute, created ChatGPT. Number 5. Using ChatGPT in conjunction with other AI technologies is possible. This is not a search engine or chatbot. Number 6. A variety of tasks can be accomplished using ChatGPT, including content creation and customer service. Number 7. As ChatGPT is very scalable, it can be modified to handle other knowledge domains or perform specialized tasks, job security threats. Number 8. ChatGPT is built on the Transformer architecture. Consequently, ChatGPT is more effective at processing long sequences and producing text than other language models. Number 9. In the same company, DALL-E was created. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are used to create art from virtually any natural language description. Number 10. You can build apps and websites more easily with ChatGPT. Coding challenges can be resolved quickly using it. Artificial intelligence chatbots have been criticized for eclipsing or degrading human intelligence. Using a chatbot, an essay can be written on any subject quickly and effectively without the need for a human writer. Additionally, the chatbot can quickly and completely create an entire essay, making it easier for students to cheat. Artificial intelligence chatbots may propagate false information as well. Because the bot is not connected to the internet, it could share inaccurate information. I always advise individuals to double-check any information they learn from me or any other source, the bot says. OpenAI also says ChatGPT sometimes provides plausible-sounding but inaccurate or nonsensical responses. ChatGPT is a highly developed chatbot that can be used to improve people's lives and assist them with boring daily activities like sending emails and searching the internet for solutions. Before it can be extensively utilized, several technical issues must be resolved to prevent undesirable results, such as the propagation of false information. AI and machine learning models often require extensive training and fine-tuning before they can operate at their best. Does this mean that AI will eventually rule the world? Perhaps not yet, but Altman believes that human-like intelligence in AI is not that far off. In response to Musk's assertion that AI is becoming dangerously powerful, Altman tweeted, "I agree that we are getting close to dangerously powerful AI, which poses a significant cybersecurity risk. Considering that AGI might be achieved within the next 10 years, we must also take that danger seriously." It is amusing to watch people argue about whether sophisticated AI systems should act as intended by their designers or as desired by consumers. The most significant discussion society has ever had will revolve around the ideals with which we align these systems. What do you think about the ChatGPT technology? Please leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more special content. Mr. Callaghan says goodbye and see you next time.